today I'm going to show you how to put a thing into Bambu Studio. Today I'm going to be using MakerWorld, so I'm pretty sure you can use it for anything else, and so I'm going to search up today a dragon. So I'm just going to go ahead and type that in. Just give me a sec. I'm not that good at typing. Okay, now it's loading, and I'm gonna go look for something. So I kind of really like this one at the top, this mini articulating dragon. So I'm gonna go and I press it, and then I'm going to open. So if it's not on Bambu Studio, you're gonna go press this little one on the side. It's like this little pointy arrow thing, and it's gonna go and it's gonna show you a bunch of things, and then you're gonna press Bambu Studio. Then it's gonna be opening it, and then it's gonna be importing your model. And so right here I have a tiny little hiccup, but it might not do it on yours, so don't worry. Okay, just give me a minute, and okay, there. So right now my colors in my thing aren't matching up to the colors in my Bambu Lab printer. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into overriding it. I'm gonna go press overriding, and then I'm gonna go look and make sure those are the exact colors that I have. And then I'm gonna go press synchronize now. And yeah. So once I do that, I'm going to, I don't have genetic PLA, so, well, I do, but it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it, and I kind of want this, so I'm gonna go ahead and click the thing. I'm gonna right click it, and then I'm going to go down, and it's going to say change filament, and you're gonna have all your colors there. I'm gonna go with black, so yeah. Ooh, that is super cute. I like it. Okay, now once I'm done that, I'm gonna be like, oh well, the inner walls are correct, everything else is correct. Now I'm gonna go into slice plate. Oh wait, I forgot to put the little cube there. So, well, first I'm gonna have to check and make sure that that the lines in the back aren't correct. So I'm gonna go ahead and move that cube now though, and that's good. So now I'm gonna go slice plate, and I'm gonna go check everything's right. Yeah. Is the inside correct? Does it look good? So yeah, that looks good. Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna go print plate, and you're gonna check like, oh, is everything good? Does it look nice? I'm gonna be like, yeah, send. And if you messed it up or something, you can always press the cancel button. Okay, now it's going to be importing it to the thing. Just give it a sec, and then, well, it's imported, and you're basically done. So once you're done, if you have a camera, you can always press the camera button and you can watch it play. But thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye! Like, wow, this is like super cool. And right now it's changing different colors. Look at this. It's crazy. Look at this. Well, it's not going fast yet, but look. You barely can see it. It's like super cool. Look. That's just super cool.